Thank you for watching my last video and giving me likes and subscribe. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make a sandwich with a twist. I will show you the ingredients for my sandwich. Ketchup, cheese spread, butter, a bowl, tomato, and then some slices of cucumber. And guys, for the twisty secret ingredient, the ingredient is Haldiram Bhujia. First, you come and you take a bowl, you take a butter, and then you put it in the bowl, and take cheese spread and pour it in the bowl. I mixed the cheese spread and butter. Now I'm going to put a little salt and little pepper. This much pepper and this much. Now I'm going to put the sauce in this and then mix it. So you take this much of sauce and then you put in the Now I'm going to take bread and spread this on the bread. Two slices of bread. Now I've spread the paste on the bread, and now I'm going to take cucumber and I'm going to put one piece everywhere, 4 pieces. Very careful when you use a knife. Simply just cut the bread. Now I'm even going to cut it like this. This video, make it, try it at home and serve it to everybody at home.